Ever wished there was a magical way to make your money bounce back to you after every purchase? What if I told you that magic isn't a fairy tale, but a real-life perk you might already have in your pocket? We're talking about FavePay Cashback, a fantastic feature that many of us overlook, leaving valuable savings on the table. Think about it. You're already spending money on your daily coffee, that delicious lunch, or even a much-needed pamper session. Why not get a percentage of that money back to spend again? That's exactly what FavePay Cashback offers. It's not about earning points that convert to vouchers you might never use. It's about actual money being credited back to your account, ready for your next FavePay transaction. So, how do you unlock this money-saving superpower? It's simpler than you think. First things first, you need to have the Fave app downloaded on your smartphone and a Fave account set up. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video, go to your app store, and get it done. Seriously, it takes just a couple of minutes and is the gateway to a world of discounts and, of course, cashback. Once you're all set up, the next step is to find merchants that accept FavePay. The Fave app has a super intuitive interface that lets you browse participating businesses near you. Whether you're looking for a restaurant, a salon, a retail store, or even a gym, chances are there's a FavePay partner ready to give you cashback. You'll usually see the FavePay logo prominently displayed at the counter, or you can simply ask. Now, for the exciting part, making a payment and getting your cashback. When you're ready to pay, simply open your Fave app and tap on the Scan and Pay option. You'll then scan the QR code displayed by the merchant. The app will automatically show you the amount due, and you can confirm the payment. Here's where the magic happens. After your payment is successfully processed, your cashback will be almost instantly credited to your Fave account. You'll usually see a notification confirming the amount of cashback you've received. But wait, there's a crucial detail. How do you use this cashback? It's not just sitting there idly, it's designed to be used for your next FavePay purchase. When you make your subsequent payment at any FavePay merchant, you'll have the option to apply your accumulated cashback directly to the bill. The app will usually prompt you, asking if you'd like to use your available cashback. Just confirm, and watch your bill shrink. It's like a perpetual discount cycle. A pro tip for maximizing your cashback: keep an eye out for special promotions and deals within the Fave app. Sometimes, merchants offer boosted cashback percentages for a limited time, or there might be specific campaigns that give you even more back. Combining these promotions with your regular FavePay usage can significantly increase your savings. Don't let your hard-earned money just disappear into the ether. Embrace the power of FavePay Cashback and let your spending work for you. It's a smart, simple way to save money on the things you're already buying. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.